Dear student, today in this lecture discuss about data communication. First we define the term of telecommunication. The term telecommunication means communication at the distance, and the word data refer to the information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. And data communication term means data communication are the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wire and cable. Now, in the next slide, we discuss about definition of the computer network and different type of components of data communication systems, application of computer network, and different type of transmission mode and data flow like that. Now, first we describe the definition of the computer network. The simple definition of the computer network: two or more than two computers are connected to each other and share the information and resources known as a computer network. According to the subject name, computer network, computer plus net plus work means computer are created a network, any net, and each net devices are work to each other like that, share the information and resources. And second definition of computer network, collection of autonomous computer is also known a computer network. Some objective, yeah, ends of computer network like that. In previous lecture, we also discussed about the objective of computer networks and outcome of computer network. But here we discuss some aims of computer network like that data sharing, sharing of the data files stored in the local disk of a computer. This data can be accessed from other computer present on other same network or different network. Second objective of the computer network like resource sharing. Resource on network like printer can be accessed a computer for taking printout. And network security. Network is restrict the unauthorized access of all resources on the computer. Using the computer network, we reduce the time and cost. So these are brief and aim, yeah, objective, yeah, advantage of computer network. Next, we discuss about the component of data communication system. If we want to communicate between two devices like sender and receiver, there are, we have required five components: sender, receiver, medium, message, and protocol. Means component sender means the sender is the device that send data message, which is create the message. Receiver is a device that receive the data, and component of message means the message is the information to be communicated, that is form of text, video, sound, and pictures. And medium, the transmission medium is a physical path by which a message travel from sender to receiver. Next, protocol. A protocol is a set of rule and regulation that govern data communication. It represents agreement between two devices, such as French cannot be understood by the person who speak only Japanese. So protocol is a like that set of rule and regulation. So these five basic components are required and also explained in the form of notes. A data communication made of five systems. First, message. The message is the information to be communicated, that is text, video, sound, and picture. Second, sender. The sender is the device that send data message. Receiver is the device that receive the data. A medium, that transmission medium, is physical path by which message travel from sender to receiver. And protocol, a protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. Now these are basic 5 components for communication. Some application of computer network like that. Computer network are used in a marketing and sales. Like that, computer network are used extensively in both marketing and sales organization. Computer network is also used in financial services, totally depend on computer network. In manufacturing field, computer network are also used in aspects of manufacturing. Directory services like that, electronic data interchange, EDI, and teleconferencing is the application of computer network. Several applications of computer network like banking sector, like railway reservation, like in education sectors, etc. And also we discuss here some basic criteria of the computer network. Data communication are as depend on 3 factors like performance, reliability, and security. The performance can be measured in many ways, like that number of users. A large number of concurrent user response time can slow. If concurrent user are increases, the performance decreases. Similarly, reliability, it measured by frequency of failure. So it is also core factor of the computer network and criteria of the computer networks. Security, useful sensitive data must be protected from unauthorized access. So these are also criteria of the data communication. Now, in this slide, we discuss data flow. What is the data flow? It means direction of data flow. There are 3 possible modes in serial communication like that: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. In the simplex transmission mode, in the simplex transmission mode, the communication is unidirectional, such as form of computer to printer as shown in figure. Unidirectional because mainframe provides output to monitor. Yeah, be receiving signal like that television. It is the example of simplex transmission mode because in this mode data या signal flow in unidirection, only one direction. Second is half duplex transmission mode. In the half duplex transmission mode, sender and receiver can send data and receive, but not simultaneously. At a time, data send and next time data receive. The example of half duplex like that walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie device communicate between 2 users, send and receive message but not at the same time. Similarly, next transmission mode like is the full duplex mode. In the full duplex mode, signal are transmit and receive the simultaneously in both sides. Sender station and receiver station can send and receive simultaneously of the signal. Example of telephone. So these are 3 type of transmission mode. Yeah, flow of signal. The flow of signal term is known as transmission mode. Now, today, may summarize the today lecture like that. First lecture we brief the introduce about the term of telecommunication, data communication, and data. And next we define the definition of computer network and aim or objective of computer network. In next PPT we describe about different type of basic component required for the communication system, and next application of computer, and next data flow, which is 3 types: simplex mode, half duplex mode, and full duplex mode. Now the next lecture we define different type of basic concept of computer network, network topologies, etc. Thank you.